So yeah, I did a little bit of work off stream, and for example, I figured out that welcome back. uh, your Audi sometimes helps people find bugs on Twitch. Um, right, because this was broken, and then I also figured out that I had some other stuff. Just with this path searching was wrong. I'll just let this run its course. Oh yeah, and also the render target was, no, the this one was bad and it still is bad. Why? Oh yeah, I inverted that. That's dumb. So let's rebuild and see what that does. Close stuff. Close more stuff. Your Audi enjoys waiting for the daemon to start up. Why is this still broken? So we have this here, and for this render target we have a bunch of dependents, and one of these should be this one. Can I not count? Is that the problem? $21. No, this is still wrong. Wow, I'm slow today. If it's not that, continue. Didn't. Why? Yeah, and we should. Why didn't that work before? Come on. I think that was a logic flip or something. Whatever thing is running the simulation had an ECC. Oh, it should have used ECC basically, but the bit flip made it so that logic was the wrong way around for me. Okay. Does this now work? Why not? No, still not right. Why? Okay, we have this. We have dependencies. Oh, wait. Should this also be... no, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. There's a problem on the live server. Because I don't put it there. Probably. That's the index min. The problem is then we get the wrong file. Oh, wait. I know now. That is in base for the content, because we set this up. Right, and this has this as a dependency, and that's the problem. It doesn't make much of a difference because we don't actually need this one, I think. No. Okay, so then we can just add this. Where's my CC path? That's the updates path, this one. Right. You should not depend on this, but on this. Right. Okay. Clear the cache again. Your Audi enjoys clearing the cache over and over again. Ooh, I also forgot to take my stuff. Your Audi prefers substituting nutrients that have been washed out of the soil and thus out of the food to that not being the case. Do we have a content cache? No, 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 no. No, no, no. I actually do wonder why. I mean, I get the false, which is just gets empty content back first, but that is weird. Okay, that's good. And this works. Okay. Are we getting content cache updates? Was at least an array. We might actually get to that. Talking to the owner that we're still working on the custom account stuff. I'd like to get some work done on that today. So now let's see. whether we actually get any updates here. She'd even have like updates in here actually. Oh no, it's the live side. We don't have that in there because the live side is not locally here. So now it should change and give us an update in here. Yeah, that's we've got content. That's good. So it works for the original stuff, but not yet for the updates. It seems like it's not writing anything in there, so that's bad. Let's check the cache again, because it should be persisting both and should first... let's just check what writes here actually. Okay, so this is the... oh wait, no, that should actually be the right path. Let's put a breakpoint. Make fragment target, make this target here. Okay, and the... we don't have that. Oh no, we do have that. Updates target. No, wait. It's just dead. Why is that just dead? Why am I not why am I not passing that in here? That's a problem. That's not good. But if it doesn't have that, it should actually reconstruct that. Why doesn't it do that? Just gone. And that isn't even set yet. Oh, hang on. It has the target. Right. Right. Okay, so that should be in here basically. Yeah. We need to fix the other thing too, but oh, that's fine. It does have that. Okay. So we just need to put that in somewhere here. Now we should go in here. It has the target. It computes the hash. Go in here and write to this path. It seems fine. No, wait. We get it first. We don't have updates. Ah, okay. So but it should still write those updates. Which updates? Right. We don't put anything there. Why? What should actually be in there? basically a list of... Oh no, wait, maybe it's not really about the updates in here, but it's just about the dependencies that we set up. So the fragment dependencies, which means if we... Oh, hang on, this should be... Oh no, that's right, okay. If we analyze this target, we should actually have... We don't have dependencies. That's not good. Do we error out here? No, we go in there. Right. Oh, maybe it's maybe I'm not attaching it originally. Add target, updates target. This should be fine. No. That's okay, but for the updates target, let's jump out of there. Okay. We are now coming from this closure and we want to go in here. And we have pre-final updates. Why? Oh. Where are you putting that from? Render target. This one has dependencies. Let's analyze that. You have dependencies. This and that. Why is the updates target this one? Because this is inverted. I hope it's the last time I've broken this. No, it's not. See, it's... Come on. Okay. Okay. Do we have it everywhere now? I hope so. That also means we do have to redo the cache. Unfortunately. Let's see here, it still works. Okay. Just want to know if everything's still working. We write to the cache, please. Still null. Where are we now? Now here. Now we should have the correct updates target. See? Programming is really easy. You just have to not do the wrong thing and instead do the right thing. Your Audi likes doing the right thing. Target. Do we have a content cache now? That's the question. Nope. So the updates is false and writes to there. But at some point those should be fixed. There's one template that takes a while. Probably one of the lists. I actually think I've made the overall startup from empty cache even slower. Takes a while. I mean, this is kind of what I'm trying to solve, basically. Because there's a lot of work that's being redone all the time. That's a lot of images. It failed there. What? Writing a JS file should not take 40 seconds. I know that much. It's null in here. Still null and still null. What do I actually do those? They kind of don't exist. Don't need them for. I should already at some point be writing stuff to them. Somewhere down here. No. In the fragments code. This here should be writing something like this. I'm just registering the fragment. It's weird that's not there. But let's check with this one product that we've been editing. Do something with that. This part works, this part does not. Still, why? Really? Nothing? Okay, so That should be something in the fragment code. We need to figure out why we're not writing in here. So let's do this again. Now we arrive here. Do we get updates? Get one update. And we write it in here. At some point we want to persist that. This is your list pre-final updates, this is list D updates. Okay. But the content is just an empty array. Why? Is the path wrong? That shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so just to make sure that we're not crazy here. So we have this. For some reason we're not writing to that. So we need to make sure that this here is also one of these. Why am I not arriving here? Has the hash not changed? It should have changed slightly. What's this now? I don't know where it changes that either. Doesn't seem to make sense. Do we have that? Oh yeah, right. And we also had something like this. Okay, now where do you go? D updates PHP. And what is the this is one. Is it still this one? Yeah. And that is this path. Okay. Copy value. Where do you lead us? We have no updates. So we want to go here. Right. And that's still the right path. So now I need to at some point persist that. So I should arrive here. And that should be fine. It's writing a bunch of these, so we see them pile up, which is good. This one should be the... We have this path. We can't export it. Wait. That seems fine. We just didn't just write to that. To go back here. That's the one that we care about. You write to this and this. That's fine. We have content there. Do we clear it out somewhere? I don't think I have anything else that writes to content cache. Well, this, but we're not going there. So definitely we have something in there now. Should have something in there. So then when we... oh no, I skipped it. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's just taking a while. Yeah, it's taking a while. It's surprisingly slow. So now, what do we have? This prefile instance. This one. That's, oh no, that's the prefile. We want the D updates. Okay. And that is still empty. So let's actually do the following. Don't skip out on this. Okay, so you're writing stuff here, that's fine. It's getting longer because we actually pull the right thing back. And now it's gone. We should actually land somewhere else in between when we do this. So we should arrive here. Maybe this here pulls the wrong thing. We'll see. Okay, don't need that. We need the path to be something. So this is working. We can forget about that. This is wait. That is a problem. Especially, oh, that should write the wrong path though. I think. Oh wait. No, it's that one. Okay. So in that case, well, why did it get those? That's the right path, is it? Yeah. So they kind of don't arrive here. It's weird, but the good thing is we now have the better value for this. Yeah, the persist then gives out an empty array, but we should now get a better test case. Where are we here first? Okay, that is true for... No, this is the dependency fragment thing. Do you not pull in any prerequisites? You do, I think. Yeah, there should be at least one. Jesus. Jesus. So this is obviously empty, right? So don't write anything, and then we persist an empty file. So that makes sense. But the question is, why is this empty? Do we now get content? Because that's the right thing. We could actually also... Is it this one? Yeah. Let's see where we actually write content now. Still don't have updates now. Oh, no, right. So we override everything that might have accumulated. Okay, so now we should get updates here. See, that's all fine. That's not fine. That's weird, actually. Just empty. Why not? Just have it empty. It should not be empty. Well, it should actually be... something that should be in there. Which one is this? Yeah, but that should be the data URI. And the data URI is empty. Okay, so that's where it's coming from. Why is that empty though? It makes sense. Am I not setting this? No, it should be there. It's probably... Yeah, it's not passed in. It's not passed in. No, not. So this is a file item. That component file item. You have a data URI. Apparently that is not getting set. Why? Why do we not do that? Because we should actually do that. I think. That's this, that is this. Yeah, why are we not doing that? That's dumb. What's this? Hang on. Why are we doing that? Shouldn't that be something like that? Wait, why is that a file? Oh, right. So what we could do is just have a is it that? List, and then we have the item UID. Yeah, that should at least fix that thing. I think this goes to like 30, 35. It has written quite a lot now. And now we get down here where we end the fragment. And we know that we have written to this content cache. And there is updates now. But oh no, this is the... We're still in wait. And I get confused with the update. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. We do have updates now. We unset it right away. Because this is not set. Okay, it clears them out again. Right. Right. So we need to put them in there. Which we don't do down here. We don't. Well, we should. We should actually do that. Where do we do it here? There. Look. Programming is actually easy. You have to just do the thing. Do the thing. That's the ticket. Doing the thing. Your Audi, sorry. Your Audi likes doing the thing. And then we can actually go back to doing this here. Do the account stuff. Well, probably I should first update, but to fix all the bugs and the shop going down, which is bad. I would really like to know what takes so long now. One bad thing about this cache that I just thought about is that it does not sync with a local file. So once you have it loaded, it does not load the latest state, which might mean if I am eventually running this in a different process, they might have divergent information on what has happened. So there must be some way to invalidate the cache across processes. And basically the cache could have a dependency on a file. But I'm probably going to have some kind of inter-process communication where I just, in other processes, listen to invalidation events. Because otherwise I would always have to check the access time or something. I could just leave that be and completely rely on opcache, but I still think that stuff that sits in memory, I still think that's faster than waiting for it to come from the opcache. Okay, so now this is all fine. It writes like 35 things in there. Then we get here, and we now should have 35 updates. See, it does not remove them anymore, which is good. And it also here removed the target, which is good, because I used to do that with a weak source shim. Okay, so this is now working fine. Now we want to persist that. And we still do not have the content, which is bad. This, this. Are you about done? Yeah, nothing in there. That's not good. So, where do we actually lose this? Is the question. Kind of want to say here, but it doesn't really make sense. Let's look for the right thing. What is this? Yeah. 34. And now it has it. Okay. Do you write that? You write that. That's good. That's good. You're here too. That's pretty good. That means that we now have persistent state. Yeah. And that also means that there might be some way that we can eventually invalidate prerequisites. Because one of the reasons why I'm doing this refactor is I have one template where I'm pulling in the order. I'm pulling in all the users, basically a user list here. But once this assignment is made, that should go away. So what we would need for that is that in the template for that order, so it should be somewhere in, not here. Oh yeah, secure order. There. In here we add a prerequisite, and that should know where it is set, because the rendered target in here is just the surrounding element, which is fine, but we kind of are. Oh, where are we actually? We're in this state, and that is part of this function. How do I actually do that? And the other thing you could do is just record in the what did I call that? I closed that down already. Here. No. Alright, and dependency and talent. Blah, blah, blah. This one, I want to in here. Where do I? So I'm starting up here. I'm kind of setting this to nothing. So every update that happens in here could record a dependency update event or something like that. I could actually do that with hooks, but that's probably pretty expensive, right? Because we kind of have like a starting event, which is up here, and then we finish down here, which means whenever in here this one is hit, for example, it also calls to a hook. So we might be, oh, well, we don't have it. We need to know to what fragment that belongs. And the problem with that is that the well, it's not part of the render target, but we could add it in here. Yeah, could do that. So in the we know what this is, and we could just add it onto the stack, which would in turn connect it to the, that's actually, yeah, I think that's the right path. So in here we have the block URI. Is it transformed here already? No. That means that it's in here, right? Right. So that's kind of bad. Do we pass it in though? Or can we just add this? Because because in the function itself we do use the render target, but we can override it, which means which means we should be able to do this, yeah. And a target and just attach the URI of the fragment. Where do I have that? Just URI? Okay, just URI. Just the URI. Okay, so now we have the prerequisites set up there. Do we even need the file then? Yeah, because we need to destruct the, just remove the thing. The thing. Uraudy likes doing the thing. And then we end them. We want to remove the target. And now we have the tools needed to do the following, which we'll do later. We can we unset it here, but we could also unset it for the render target if there are no other prerequisites like that, meaning that actually works against another caching optimization idea. I just realized that, because what I want to do basically is, if I'm registering a prerequisite here, I do that somewhere down here. I just attach the array of the new prerequisites. What you could also do is just count up how many times the prerequisite has been added, and when you take dependency fragments away, you also decrement those tabs basically, and when they hit 0 you remove the prerequisite. But that's going to be a little more involved, because I also have an optimization here where I think if it is set, then right, if it is set, I could just count it up here. I don't want to do that. I'll do that later. We'll do that later. But we should now be getting something here. Okay, checking whether this is 00F something. It should not be here, it should be here. With those updates and with this update. Right, okay. Okay, that is good. Now I want to check something else, which is I had some email fixes here. Okay, so this should be my account. Whoops. Let's see what these updates work. How fast are you? You're kind of slow. But maybe just because it's the first run. Do you have updates? You do. So that's working fine now. Are you persisting stuff? You are, that's good. Okay, so that was slow. Does it run faster now? Let's clear this. Reasonably so. Okay, so that's good. Can I send myself an email? So this has 13 entries now. Now it has 14 entries, which is good, because that means the updates have hit. Are you done yet? Thank you. Yeah, and it's 14 there, and one should be the last one I just got. I just saw that. Why is this still not sorting days correctly? We have the 18th, so this is this email. Okay, that worked. That's good. That means I can probably ship this, I think. Yeah. Do one test round where we make an order. This, for example. Let's actually deactivate this breakpoint now. So this is all fine. We do not get anything down here. No, it's... Why? There's no breakpoint there. Ah, that's better. Why do those vanish? Not good. Not good at all. Okay, so that did not work, which is bad. Because this here did work, and that's also a template update. And why is my IDE hanging? There you go. We should have something in content, cart. Where's my card? Need to reload that. No. I need to go in here and figure out why we do not get new content in here. The reason is probably It doesn't have a value? It doesn't have a value. Huh. Right. That's actually by design. It should though. Hmm. Right. So but that should actually change this. Why is there no dependency on that? It's bad. We should actually do the following. If we do not have a value for just front-end targets, yeah, so that's bad. We don't want to do that. We want to actually make sure that we get some kind of diffing going on here, because this will always return the same state. And that's bad. But we're also kind of not using any of the data in here. Not that we already put that out. And if I put it in a data value, then will get rendered out. Although the hash value will get rendered out. Which isn't the worst for now. So let's do that. Where's my card? Here. So wherever we have a missing value, oh, we're not missing. This is why this had worked, because in here we do actually transmit it, but down here where we have the stuff. I'm in the wrong card. Down where we have product, that's all fine. Now here we want to say this is so, but the data value of this we can hash, and of the email, and of the address, will that get tiresome fast? Yeah. Where's my... Does this actually not react to the... Oh, no, that's right. Ah, come. People are taunting me. So that's fine. We don't need that, but we will need it down here. This and this. Why is this not capitalized? Ship this. No. I got it. Yeah, let's not do that. Want to hash data. That's the thing I want to do. And not this. This would make no sense at all. Kind of like here. Well, this makes no sense at all. Okay, so now we take the ship name, ship email, ship address, company, and this. We should have some stuff for the invoice as well. Right here. So where do we have this? We want to actually have this. And in here, oh, this is later on. Email address name. This, and then we want to have the same thing for this checkbox. The data value is also changing in here. Is that from the invoice? Yeah. Go there. Do the same thing for the debit agreement. Debit agreement. No. TOS agreement. Right. And you have just exploded down here. Yeah. Obviously there's no function like that. Okay, clear them out. So let's now recompile that. Why are these running so long this time? It's bad. I hope it's not the caching. Caching is supposed to make everything faster. What's that? That's fine. Seems to be compiling fine. So that's good. Let's just quickly check what the data UI items we have. Oh, this is also one that I missed. So value is 1, but it should actually be this one. Right. Seems to be recompiling a lot of stuff, which is worrisome, because it should not do that. Or it is finally now fixing the broken backend uploads list. That actually might be the case. Yeah. Huh. That's good. I was hoping that it might do that, because for now it's just repeating the same box over and over again. That's not good. Yeah, that should actually fix that. We'll see. Fingers crossed that we accidentally fixed something. Because I don't think these are like front-end files that we need, like end-user front-end files. But that also means that the next restart will take a while on the server, where it is a little faster than here because it has much more cores, but still have to wait for a quiet moment for that. How are we looking on files in here? Yeah, that takes a while. But I could actually see whether it's that one, because in this list I have this file item, and this file item should be yeah, let's pull in a default width of 320, so this is actually what's happening. That's good. That's good. It was bad before, but now it's good. Your Audi sometimes fixes bugs accidentally, slightly. This is not good. Some of these PNG jobs run a long time. It does take a long time though. Actually, used to have something in there where it would interrupt stuff like this for other jobs and then continue with that. Like a job backlog of stuff you can do while other stuff happens, but it'll be much easier in the future to just have one main process handling all the hate scooters. Get an e-bike. Yeah, just do these off main thread in different thread basically, different process. Which already kind of happens, but it's still waiting for it. So just the iterating over the make tree, the make queue that I pulled from the make tree. Well, this takes a while. Hope I'm not missing anything and it's running in circles actually. Oh, bad. I have to check that. But I also can't see why it would do that. Yeah. It just takes a while to process images. See, there we go. And now we did that, and now that's working. Which probably means when I go here now, I should now see images. See, programming is easy. You just have to do the thing, the right thing, and then do it in such a way that it actually works. And then you try to get rid of a wasp that just flew into your room. Why are you in here? Why now? That's the question. When I had the windows open and the lights on, when it was still dark out, nothing came in basically, and now a wasp flew in. Do I deal with that? Not for now. If all it does is try to get out, it's fine. Does this now work is the question. Does anything happen here? No. Why? No, it does work. Okay, that's good. Can I do this and have it stay? That's good. And this, not this. So this is probably still broken, the template. Something phone. Where's the value? Right, that's wrong. So we have that. Yep. That's fine by me. And this now takes a while. We now get a proper check in here. But we don't want to wait for this. Does this all work? Yeah. We want this, we want that, and we also do not want local emails to always hit the production server, which is why we want to actually change this to my email address. Okay, so now we should be getting 2 emails locally once we finish this here. Why did I not hide this? What? What's the invoice here? Oh, card. If it's fastest. That's the card. That is the order. And that is the invoice. This is still broken, I should fix that. Why is it still showing this template? That should be hidden. Question is, did I get an email? Let's see if this is live or not. Okay, so that worked. That's cool, I guess. This is also still broken. And why? Let's actually fix that first. So in the order, hang on. On the card, that should be the card. This select box does not show the right state. Not size, but right, it's not here. Card item, duration. Ooh. No. We should also have that locally, right? No, it works now. Okay. Okay, that's better. So it is already fixed. Again, bugs that fix themselves. It's good.